Hello everyone, today we will discuss the most repeated nursing MCQs previous question paper 2020. Let's start with the first question. Which acid-base balance is most likely in a patient with chronic diarrhea? Correct answer is B. Metabolic acidosis. Chronic diarrhea leads to excessive loss of bicarbonate HCO3 causing metabolic acidosis. Next question. Which ECG finding is seen in hypokalemia? Correct answer is C. U waves. Hypokalemia causes delayed ventricular repolarization leading to prominent U waves on ECG. Next question. Which immunoglobulin is the first to respond to an infection? Correct answer is B. IgM. IgM is the first antibody produced during an infection due to its pentameric structure, making it highly effective in antigen binding. Next question. Which vaccine is a live attenuated vaccine? Correct answer is C. MMR. The MMR, measles, mumps and rubella vaccine contains live attenuated viruses to induce strong immunity. Next question. Which electrolyte imbalance is most commonly associated with digoxin toxicity? Correct answer is A. Hypokalemia. Hypokalemia increases the risk of digoxin toxicity by enhancing its binding to Na plus per K plus AT pass, leading to severe cardiac arrhythmias. Next question. A patient with acute pancreatitis has a blush discoloration around the umbilicus. This sign is called. Correct answer is B. Collins sign. Collins sign indicates retroperitoneal hemorrhage due to severe pancreatitis. Next question. Which antibiotic is contraindicated in pregnancy due to risk of fetal bone deformities? Correct answer is B. Ciprofloxacin. Ciprofloxacin affects cartilage development in the fetus and is contraindicated in pregnancy. Next question. A patient with increased intracranial pressure ICP is positioned. Correct answer is C. Head of bed elevated at 30 degree. Elevating the head of the bed to 30 degree improves venous drainage and reduce ICP without compromising cerebral perfusion. Next question. Which ECG change is seen in hyperglycemia? Correct answer is B. Shortened QT interval. Hyperglycemia shortens repolarization leading to a reduced QT interval on ECG. Next question. The most common cause of upper GI bleeding is? Correct answer is B. Peptic ulcer disease. Peptic ulcers erode gastric mucosa leading to bleeding. H. pylori infection and NSAIDs are common causes. Next question. The most common complication of mechanical ventilation is? Correct answer is B. Pneumothorax. Barotrauma from high tidal volumes can cause alveolar rupture, leading to pneumothorax in ventilated patients. Next question. A patient with diabetic ketoacidosis DKA has deep and rapid breathing. This is called? Correct answer is C. Kussmaul's respiration. Kussmaul's respiration is a compensatory mechanism in DKA to expel CO2 and reduce acidosis. Next question. The most common cause of maternal mortality in preeclampsia is. Correct answer is B. Cerebral hemorrhage. Uncontrolled hypertension in preeclampsia can cause cerebral hemorrhage leading to death. Next question. Which antihypertensive drug is contraindicated in pregnancy? Correct answer is D. Losartan. Losartan, an ARB, is teratogenic and can cause fetal renal dysfunction, so it is contraindicated in pregnancy. Next question. A nurse observes deceleration in fetal heart rate with contractions. What does this indicate? Correct answer is B. Uteroplacental insufficiency. Late declarations indicate impaired placental oxygen transfer, requiring immediate intervention. Next question. Which is the most common site for deep vein thrombosis? DVT. Correct answer is D. Femoral vein. DVTs most commonly develop in the deep vein of the legs, especially the femoral vein. Next question. What is the first line drug for status asthmaticus? Correct answer is A. Salbutamol. Salbutamol, a short-acting beta-2 agonist, is the first-line drug for relieving acute bronchospasm in status asthmaticus. Next question. What is the therapeutic INR range for patients on warfarin therapy? Correct answer is B. 2.0 to 3.0. INR, International Normalized Ratio, measures blood clotting time. For most patients on warfarin, the target INR is 2.0 to 3.0 to prevent thrombosis while avoiding excessive bleeding. Next question. Which electrolyte imbalance is associated with Tourniquet's D points? Correct answer is C. Hypomagnesemia. Tourniquet's D points is a type of polymorphic ventricular tachycardia often caused by low magnesium levels, leading to QT interval prolongation. Next question. Which vitamin deficiency causes pernicious anemia? Correct answer is C. Vitamin B12. Pernicious anemia occurs due to vitamin B12 deficiency, often caused by intrinsic factor deficiency lead to impaired red blood cell production. Next question. A positive Pahlian's test indicates which condition? Correct answer is A. Carpal tunnel syndrome. Pahlian's test holding wrists in flexion for 60 seconds reproduces tingling numbness in patients with median nerve compression carpal tunnel syndrome. Next question. Which condition is characterized by a sunset sign in pediatric patients? Correct answer is A. Hydrocephalus. The sunset sign, downward deviation of the eyes, occurs in hydrocephalus due to increased intracranial pressure compressing the midbrain. Next question. What is the recommended needle length for an IM injection in an adult? Correct answer is C. 1 to 1.5 inches. IM injections are given deep into muscle tissue, requiring a needle 1 to 1.5 inches long for proper medication absorption. Next question. Clopidogrel belongs to which drug class? Correct answer is B. Antiplatelet. Clopidogrel is an antiplatelet agent that inhibits ADP receptors on platelets, reducing clot formation in conditions like stroke and coronary artery disease. Next question. The first sign of malignant hyperthermia is. Correct answer is B. Muscle rigidity. Malignant hyperthermia triggered by inhaled anesthetic first presents with muscle rigidity due to uncontrolled calcium release in skeletal muscles. Next question. Which heart sound is heard in heart failure? Correct answer is C. S3 globe. An S3 heart sound occurs due to fluid overload and is an early indicator of heart failure. Next question. A child presents with whooping cough. Which bacteria is responsible? Correct answer is A. Bordetella pertussis. Bordetella pertussis causes whooping cough, a severe respiratory infection with characteristic paroxysmal coughing fits. Next question. Which ECG finding is seen in pericarditis? Correct answer is A. ST elevation in all leads. Acute pericarditis causes ST elevation in multiple leads due to pericardial inflammation. Next question. Which electrolyte is most abundant in extracellular fluid? Correct answer is D. Sodium. Sodium Na plus is the primary extracellular electrolyte responsible for fluid balance and nerve transmission.